Hello guys, welcome to another super video. Today's video we are going to look at how we differentiate functions like this with respect to x. So this is basically saying y equals to this, and this again y equals to this. Okay, so we are differentiating these functions with respect to x, and this is more like division, right? Fractions using quotient rule. Quotient rule is very easy. It is basically saying if I have a function, let's say this is f of x equals to g of x divided by h of x. So we have two functions. Now if I differentiate this f of x, so that's the first differential, basically what's saying is that, okay, you know what? Don't differentiate this, just hold this one, differentiate the numerator, subtract. So it's basically saying h of x multiplied by g prime of x, meaning you maintain this one, you differentiate the numerator, then minus, now the opposite, g of x multiplied by h prime of x, then you divide everything here by h of x all squared. Okay, then you divide everything by the denominator. This one you don't have to differentiate. So it's basically saying in simple terms, okay, quotient rule in simple terms saying that f prime of x is equals to, you say the bottom function multiplied by the differential of the top function, okay, minus this again, you say the top function, okay, times the differential of the bottom function divided by the bottom function all square. Okay, easy. Now most of you have seen not just this form, you must have seen this one in this other form. So let's say if y is equals to u over v, where u and v are functions of x, thus y prime of x, or we say dy over dx, is equals to, so it's basically saying v du over dx minus u dv over dx all divided by v square. Okay, which is just the formula. I guess that's very easy. Okay, so now let's see how we can apply this formula to solve these problems. We've gotten the basic. All you have to do, first of all, you let u equals to the top function, which is 4x cubed plus 3. Okay, now you differentiate du over dx equals to u with respect to x. When you differentiate this, multiply this by this, becomes 12x. Then this becomes 3 minus 1, which is 2. Okay, now when you differentiate a constant, it's 0, so we don't have to bother about that. Now the next one, we say v equals to the denominator, which is x squared plus 1. If we differentiate the v over the x, that equals to, this is 2x. 1 minus this, any number raised to the power 1, it's just the number itself, or letter, it's just the letter itself. Okay, easy. Now once you have this, you just apply the formula. So you know that, apply the formula which says my dy over dx equals to my v du, v, what is my v? My v is this, x squared plus 1 multiplied by du over dx. Du over dx is 12x squared. Okay, minus, this is v du over dx. The other one now will be u dv over dx. So u function is this, which is 4x cubed plus 3. You multiply it by your dv over dx, which is 2x. Now everything here divided by v squared, and my v is x squared plus 1. So this becomes x squared plus 1 all squared. Okay, So my dy over dx equals to, here all you have to do is just to simplify. Okay, this and this becomes 12x raised to the power 4. Okay, plus this and this becomes 12x squared. Okay, now you multiply this and this becomes minus this and this becomes 8x raised to the power 5, right? Now you have the other one will be again minus, because you are taking this minus and you are multiplying this. This again becomes 6x. Everything here divided by x squared plus 1 whole square. Easy. So if you want, you can just rearrange this one. But most often, because I want positive, so I can just say 12x raised to the power 4 minus 8x raised to the power 5, then plus 12x squared minus 6x. This everything here by x squared plus 1 whole square. Okay? Here, if you want, you can factor something outside. Easy. Easy. Okay? So that's it for the first example. I wanted to solve this, but I think this video is going to take us some time. So for that, I'm just going to break things down and I want you to give me the answer. So for this, we say u equals to 1 minus x squared. Okay, so my du over dx becomes minus 2x. Okay, you have this minus, you differentiate, this becomes x. Now my v is 1 plus x squared. If I differentiate the v over the x, this becomes 2x. Now you apply the formula and tell me what will be the answer. See you in my next video. If this has made any sense to you or has helped you out to understand the concept, this is just a formula you need to apply. Okay, please consider liking this video, subscribe if you want to learn more math, calculus, or further maths, or additional maths, we they call it, and general math for your WAS or WAEC or for your SAT, okay, or for your GCSE or IGCSE exams or JAM exams for Nigerians, every part of the world, okay. Math is a universal language and I'm happy to help. Anyways, and most people have been asking me where I'm from. Basically, at the moment, I'm in the US doing my master's degree, but I love teaching mathematics, so it's something I do for fun. So consider subscribing, hit down the bell notification so that when I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. See you guys in my next video.